Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial like swatches and review on this new Grape Shop palette by Ucanbe. So it just looks like this. Just give you a close-up because my new camera has autofocus, so I'm so excited about that. So I bought this from Ucanbe's official AliExpress store. So make sure that if you're going to buy from AliExpress, it's the official Ucanbe store, so you know you're getting genuine products as well. They do also have their own website, but it is quite a bit more expensive. So this is the blue Tonic palette that I also bought as well. So this is what it looks like, and it has a pressed glitter here, whereas the purple one, the Grape Shot, has one of those weird kind of Huda style shadows, which is kind of like beads. It's so weird, but yeah, that's in there as well. So I bought these together, so obviously they were shipped out together. I paid £3.74 each. They do charge tax on there now because, you know, of Brexit, like Chinese websites like AliExpress and all those kind of places, they charge the tax now, whereas I don't think they used to before. I don't remember paying tax before. And the shipping was £2.37 for both of them. So it was £7.49 for the products, and then with shipping and tax it came for £11.74 for the two. So even with like all those things included, I think £11.74 for two palettes is really good. So I have done a couple of Ucanbe videos before. I will link those in the description box because I've done two videos on like this range. There was one of these palettes that looks exactly like the Jeffree Star Controversy palette, and then another one which is like a yellow honey one, which is also really nice. These are such good quality for the price. So actually, well, saying that, the ones in the past I've tried are really good, so I've got high hopes for these as well. So I do have some other Ucanbe products I need to try soon. So I've got this foundation. This is the Matte Pro Longwear foundation, so I need to try that sometime. These are like so cheap, they're like £2. And I've also got a concealer, and I'm going to do like a dupe kind of video. So this is like the, I think it's called the Face Concealer, and I've got it in the lighter shade, but what does that look like? It looks almost identical to Shape Tape, which I have here as well. So let's just do a little side by side. Like, how similar do those look? So I forgot to mention shipping on these products. I bought them on the 1st of February when they were released. I was like so excited, so I got straight in there, and they arrived to me the 3rd week of March. So you're talking about 7 weeks that it took to get here from China. I would say it's a little bit longer than usual. I know we're having a lot of shipping problems with Brexit. When I was like tracking this palette, it went via Amsterdam, which was a little bit weird. So China shipped it to Amsterdam, and then Amsterdam to the UK. So it took a little bit longer, obviously, because it has that stopover, but hopefully, you know, as they manage to sort shipping things out, it will take less time in the future. So looking at this palette, like, it's got some really nice shades in it. You've got like a line of kind of neutrals as well, which is good. I do like that this shade here has like a purple shimmery undertone to it, and then you've also got two nudes as well in case you don't want to do like a full on purple look, which is cool. So I'm going to go in with this lighter shade here, and I'm going to put that in the crease. Okay, so that shade's gone on really nice. I'm going to go in with this darker purple now into the crease, and just to brighten it up a little bit. So it is looking a little bit crazy now, but it will all come together. So that is the medium shade purple on there. I'm going to go into this deeper shade now and just put that in the outer part of my eyes. That dark purple is on, and I really like that dark purple. It blended really well and built up as well, which was great. So we're gonna go into some kind of shimmer now because I have cut my crease off camera. I'm waiting on my new P. Louise base to come through the post because they had a sale on the other day. So in the meantime, I'm just using concealer. So I know concealer is not great to use on your eyes, but I don't really have anything else at the moment to cut my crease with. Anyway, back to the show. I'm gonna go in with this light purple here. It's not the lightest shade in the palette, like the lightest shimmer shade. This is, but I wanted to use that one for my inner corner. So I'm just gonna go in with this shade now. So that shimmer purple is on, that one, and how pretty is it? It felt like when I was putting it on with my brush that the shimmer was more of a drier formula, but it still went on really, really nicely. So I'm happy with how it's looking so far. I just need something to blur that join a little bit so much. So I'm gonna go in with, I was gonna say this one and then I was gonna say this one, but actually I'm gonna go in with this shade and just put that on that join. Just putting my liner on and I realized kind of like we've still got that gap for my inner corner shade, so we're gonna go in with that lightest shade here. It's such like a pretty shade because it has like those really pretty pink and purple reflex to it, and if it's any kind of consistency like this is, it's gonna be like really nice on the eyes. So let's put that on. So on the eyes, that shade is really pretty. It's kind of got like a bit of a blue reflect to it as well. Wow, that is really nice, and that'd be really nice as an all over lid shade as well. Okay, so I've just added some lashes. These are the Isla Volume 101s. These are like my favourite pre-glued lashes. They did seem a little bit odd. Like the glue wasn't as sticky as usual, so maybe like they've been sitting in one of the stores for a long time, not sure. But anyway, I've got them on now. We need to do a lower lash line shade, and I think I'm going to go in with this one. Okay, so eye look is complete. I really love this look. I love pinks and purples. They're like right on my street. And I love that shimmer on the lid. It was so pigmented and just gives, I think it gives the look a little bit more dimension. I purposely didn't go into this weird shade here because I feel like because the beads are like two different colours, each swatch will give you a different colour. It won't be like an even application. So I didn't use that shade, but I have used like quite a few out of the palette. I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think I've used 7 shades here. And how many have we got? 15. So that's almost half. So I think, you know, I've used a good amount out of here. And to be honest, I really like these palettes. The palettes I've tried so far have been really pigmented. They're really affordable. They've got a good range of colours like in them. Like they've got loads of different ones in this line now. So I really like this. So I have noticed you can buy these on UK Amazon now, and they are like double the price what I paid. They're like $7.99. I'm not 100% sure whether it's like an official store selling them, so just do your due diligence beforehand. Just check it's not like a dodgy place or a dodgy seller that's selling them, and it is actually official, you know, if that makes sense. Because I think I've only once bought a Ucanbe palette from Amazon, and it was the Anwen palette, which I've already done like a video on. I love that palette, and I know that palette wasn't fake because it launched the exact same day that it launched around the world, so I know that one wasn't fake. But I don't know about these because they have been out already for a while, so there could be dodgy ones on the market, but I don't know. But anyway, like I just said, do use your diligence. So that's it for this palette. I really like the Grape Shot palette. I'm going to do the blue Tonic one soon, which is this lovely blues. Do we feel like this looks a little bit like Blue Blood by Jeffree Star? Just because you've got some like neutrals in. Not 100% sure, and I don't have that palette anymore, so I can't do like a comparison for you. But yeah, that's a really nice palette that's coming soon, and I've got like quite a few other Ucanbe videos that I will link in the description box for you. So I'm going to do some swatches now, and I will see you again shortly. Bye.